to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So first of all, I apologize for this really horrible lighting. My tripod, my ring light is dying. It works good in certain places, and then for some reason in here it's just not working. So I'm gonna do my intro with this, but it will get better after this, so bear with me. So we are finally coloring my hair. It has been a long time coming. It has been months, like probably the longest it's been in like years of me coloring my hair. For not coloring my hair, yeah. So I'm doing something awesome, and I hope that you guys stick with me. Let's get into our mixtures. I'm a crown. Try to line it up. Alrighty, well, yeah, you like my new background? It's nice. I love it. It's me all the way. Alrighty, well, let's get started. Let's do the mixtures. Let's go over what I'm using and what I'm gonna do in my hair. I'm sure you've already seen the thumbnail, so yeah, let's do that now. Alrighty, so this is what we are doing, or what I'm doing for my hair color. So I will be doing a purple at my root, the Electric Paradise in the middle, and then a yellow at the end. Of course, they are Arctic Fox. I have my bowls. Let's do our mixtures. And as always, I have my white conditioner if I need to dilute anything. I have my brushes. I have my gloves. And of course, you already saw that I'm wearing my crappy t-shirt that I don't care about. It's my hair dyeing shirt. So, Girls Night is already a very pastel color. So I believe I don't really need to dilute it, and also the fact that I'm putting it on my roots, I'm not going to need but so much. I'm just going to keep that. Now I want to let you know this is not a true Girls Night color. Whenever I use colors and I have leftovers in the bowl, I put them into whatever bottle is closest to that color. So last time I did a purple, this was a light purple, so this is just what I had left. More than likely, this is mostly a mixture of light purple, but also Purple Rain diluted. So this is probably already diluted, so I really don't need to dilute it anymore. So I apologize that is not the original Girls Night color. So if you're looking for that, then you can see my other colors, my other videos where I've actually used just straight Girls Night. Now for Electric Paradise, I have been wanting to use this for so long, and for some reason it looks orange. But again, I don't really think I'm gonna need to dilute. And the only reason I would need to really dilute it is, excuse me, to, yeah, I'm gonna have to spread it a little further, just to make sure that I'm able to cover all of my hair. And then for our yellow, we have our Neon Moon, which will really just be on the ends. Oh, she's bright. That's a true yellow. So I think that should turn out really good. There's that, and I also really don't want to dilute it. Alrighty, well these are our colors. Let me see what I have. I guess I'm gonna have to dilute the Electric Paradise, because that is the main portion of my hair. Alright, so I'm sure I'll need more, but we'll kind of work with that as we go. These are my beautiful colors. Let's get this on my head. Yeah. Well, hello there. I'm back, and now that we have our mixtures ready and better lighting, and I have changed places due to the lighting issues, and also I need a mirror. So I don't know how these other people are doing it, but I need the mirror in the bathroom in order to see what I'm doing. So that's where we're at. So welcome to my bathroom. My new bathroom, since I moved, you know, like a month ago. So, all right, first things first, put our gloves on. Are you ready? All right, well now that the gloves are on, let's get the stuff in our hair, okay? In our hair, you know, because we're doing it together. Okay, so as always, I'm going to leave out a little chunk in the front, and we're gonna do that a little bit different than the rest of the hair because I like to do things a little bit different. So Gonna keep that separate. Look at me inventing new hairstyles. Okay, I keep forgetting. We're gonna do this first. So, purple on the roots. Also, when you are using multiple colors like this, it's best to have a rag or something to wipe your hands on in between so you don't continue to get that color on there. All right, next is this. This is my favorite. I'm looking like an Easter egg. It's very pastel. Maybe a little more pastel than what I was looking for. But we'll see how it turns out. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's see how the yellow shows up. That's gonna be the tricky one. Now remember, this is not diluted. This is straight up neon moon. From what I've seen, it actually shows up better once you rinse it out. And it doesn't show up super great. Yeah, what? It kind of looks green. Why does it look green? Ew. I mean, I guess it's not that bad if it is green. Why is it, it's green. What do you guys think? Okay, we're gonna go with it. So this is my hair, kind of sherbety, summery kind of look, even though we're at the end of the summer. I'm gonna go with it, I like it. Let's continue. I know I am TikTok obsessed and I haven't posted in a while, but I did today for the very first time in a really long time, so you should go check it out. Add me on TikTok. A gem vault trades. Oh, color, how I've missed you. Oh yes, you are beautiful. Yeah! Now, for the bangs. I want to do some solid pieces. So let's do, I really want to show the yellow because it's only at the ends. So this might be a bad call, but I'm gonna put a big strip of yellow in the front. And we'll see how that goes. One whole piece of yellow. And then I think I'm gonna do one whole pink one and go from there. Okay. Yeah! Oh, please! Yeah! I really like the yellow. I really like the yellow. I think that's so pretty. The handy dandy Walmart bag goes on the head. I love you and that's all I really know. Shit. Yeah, dang it. Now the bag really just keeps it from drying out and from me touching my head on other things and getting it everywhere. So with that being said, we are done. Now I'm going to wait an hour It is a conditioner-based hair dye. It says the processing time is only 30 minutes, so minimum 30 minutes. But I like to keep it for longer because my hair is damaged and this will make it better and hopefully be good for it. So I will see you back when I'm done. I'm gonna rinse it with cold water and then we will see the reveal. Alright guys, I'm back and this is my new hair. What do you think? Let's do a spin around. I hope you guys liked the video. I think it turned out really good. Originally I was just gonna do the pink and yellow, and but we went ahead and did the purple, and I think it turned pretty good. I didn't do a whole lot there. I believe next I want to do a haircut video. So I have not done one of those, I believe, on my channel. So I do cut my own hair. I did enlist hubby. He started doing it. I don't know why I did this. But yeah, so he started cutting my hair for me with the help of me, and we're gonna do that again. So stay tuned for that. I definitely need to trim this crap up, but I didn't want to cut off my yellow. Give this one a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.